This video shows you how to use your Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus UC Enterprise wireless earbuds with touchscreen charge case. For earbuds with a basic charge case, please see Poly Voyager Free 60 UC. Before you begin, download the Poly Lens app from support.hp.com/us-n/poly. This ensures you get the most from your Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus UC earbuds by allowing you to customize your device, check for firmware updates, and more. In the box you will find Poly Voyager Free 60 earbuds, one left and one right, a touchscreen charge case, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Some units come with a USB-A to USB-C cable, a BT700 USB Bluetooth adapter. Design may vary, a 3.5mm audio input cable, and small, medium, and large ear tips. The Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus UC is available in both carbon black and white sand colors. To fit the earbuds, place the earbuds in your ear, then rotate down and forward for an optimal fit and sound experience. To change out the ear tip size, fold the outer cone to reveal the ear tip connection to the earbud. Loosen the notched ear tip from the earbud with your fingernail and remove it. Alternatively, you can twist the ear tip to remove it. Press the new ear tip into place. A click will sound when it is secure. Try the 3 ear tip sizes to find the size that fits the most comfortably while blocking out external noise. You may prefer a different size ear tip in each ear. To charge the earbuds, place them in the charge case. Then plug the case into a computer, USB charging device, or place on a third-party Qi wireless charger, not included. The charge time for both the case and the earbuds will depend on the charge method. Use the battery level status on the charge case to determine the current charge level. To pair the earbuds to your computer, plug the Bluetooth USB adapter into your computer and remove the earbuds from the charge case. They automatically turn on. You will hear PC connected, and the blinking light on the USB adapter will turn solid. If your earbuds have trouble pairing, go to the Poly Lens app and pair them to the USB adapter again. To pair the earbuds to your smartphone, remove them from the case to power them on automatically. On your smart charge case touchscreen, select Bluetooth, pair device. Alternatively, you can press and hold the earbud button for 4 seconds. The earbuds will say pairing. On your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings and connect to Poly V Free 60 series. You will hear pairing successful. To answer a call, play or pause music, interact with your smartphone's voice assistant, and more, press the raised button on the reverse of either earbud by pinching your earbud stem. Your earbuds also include smart sensors that respond when you put on or take off your earbuds. All of these actions are configurable via the Poly Lens app. Each earbud also includes a swipe sensor control that varies by activity. While streaming media, the sensor controls volume. While in a call, the sensor mutes and unmutes you. While your earbuds are idle, the sensor switches between active noise cancelling and transparency modes, which we will talk about more later in this video. These are the default functions. You can customize them using the Poly Lens app. The earbud swipe sensor is next to the metallic screen at the top of your earbud stem. Swipe forward or backward on either earbud to adjust levels or change settings. While your earbuds are in use, you have the option to use either active noise cancelling mode or transparency mode. Active noise cancelling reduces external noise. Transparency allows you to hear your surroundings while wearing your earbuds. To switch between modes, you can use the touch screen on the smart charge case. Or, while your earbuds are idle, use the swipe sensor. Active noise cancelling and transparency modes can be customized to your needs in Poly Lens. Now let's move on to the smart charge case. Wake the case by either tapping the screen or pressing the button on the back of the case. You can control the features and settings of your earbuds via the touch screen on the charge case. Swipe left and right to view navigation menus and tap icons to navigate. Options include adjusting the volume, mute and unmute a call, switch Bluetooth audio sources, and more. Close a menu by tapping X. You can use the charge case as a Bluetooth transmitter to stream audio wirelessly from an in-flight entertainment system or other audio source with 3.5 mm output. Connect the supplied 3.5 mm cable to the USB-C port on the rear of the case and the other end to the audio source's 3.5 mm port. On the charge case menu, select Bluetooth, Bluetooth transmitter, begin streaming. Your earbuds are now connected to the audio source. Voyager Free 60 Plus UC is available in a Microsoft Teams certified version. It has a purple button on the earbuds and the Microsoft Teams logo on the charge case screen. To interact with the Microsoft Teams desktop application, tap the charge case screen's Microsoft Teams icon, or, while the earbuds are idle, click the purple button on your earbuds. The Microsoft Teams application is brought to the front of your computer screen. The LED lights on the Bluetooth USB adapter and the logo on the charge case will indicate the availability of any Microsoft Teams notifications. You are now ready to enjoy your Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus UC wireless earbuds.